is a makeup transformation. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's about to be popping. Every woman must look good and feel good. Let's get straight into this video. See you later. Enjoy. Meet my gorgeous model. As you can tell by the title, I tried following Scott Barnes and Tati's makeup transformation. Scott is J-Lo's makeup artist. He's a celebrity makeup artist. I'm gonna link their video in the description box. Because my model is a black girl, so I will be following his technique, but I won't be using the product he used exactly. In that video, they are kind of promoting his cosmetics line, so most of the products, the brushes and everything he used are from his cosmetics line. So you guys know I love using my MAC and I'll be using the Fenty concealer. According to him, you don't need primer or anything, you just apply the concealer straight on the skin after moisturizing. He doesn't use primer or anything at all on the skin, so this is what I'm doing. This technique requires a lot of product. You do not manage product, okay? You have to use a lot of product, so it's all about highlighting, contouring and blending, okay? Your blending skill has to be A+, like A1+. Guys, at first I was like, is that how you do Jennifer Lopez makeup? Like, do you use this much product? But then again, I went to his channel, I watched a few videos and I was like, okay, blending is the key. It doesn't matter how much product you use, you just have to know how to blend everything in. Most of those makeup you see on celebrities are heavy, but the blending is the key. If you are the type that does your brows before your foundation, this technique will be really difficult for you. As for me, I'm used to doing my foundation, my contouring and everything before my brows and my eyeshadow, so it wasn't that much of a difference. But because of the contouring and highlighting, it takes a lot of time because it's all about the contour, the highlights, you know, the sculpting of the face and the bronzing. I used MAC foundation for the contour, so MAC foundation NW55 and also MAC powder NW55. For the concealer, I used Fenty 330. It was light, really light. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Help me get 1 million subscribers. Please subscribe and hit the notification icon. Thank you guys. Love you. My model is such a sweetheart. We had fun. I enjoyed the glam section. To set the highlighted area, I use MAC NC45. Because we used a lot of products, you really have to set. You have to set your face properly. Celebrity makeup artists uses a lot of product, but they blend it really well. They just don't use eyeshadow. This is why we think their makeup is natural, that they don't use anything. Even Makeup by Mario says he uses a lot of product. Like I said earlier, for the contour is NW55. Again, you have to set and set and set. He doesn't like nose contour, like harsh nose contour. So this is why I went back to blend the nose contour. Okay, so I blended the nose contour out again. Then I apply blush because I notice he does all the skin work before the brows or the shadow. So the skin work first, even he does the lipstick before the brows and the eyes. The blush that I use here is Raisin. Raisin is your best friend. Oh, my model. Anytime I goes to watch the video, because guys, I was watching the video on my phone while I'm doing her makeup. Each time I go to watch the video, my model is feeling herself, taking selfie. She's gorgeous, guys, even before the makeup. She loved the highlighter, guys. This highlighter is from Ignat. She loved it. He did the lipstick before the eye makeup, or your girl forgot that part. I just went ahead to do the brows, but yes, it's all gonna come together. But yes, the brows, I use brow wax. After brow wax, I fill the brow with my Rimmel brow pencil, dark brown. So yes, that's what I'm doing. Guys, we are not going to be using concealer for the brows, okay? This is why I said if you are the type that does your brows before your foundation, this is going to be very difficult for you because no concealer is going to be used under the brows. So this is why he always apply the highlighter on the brow bone before he fill the brows in, okay? And his brows are always natural, nothing harsh. So that is what we're doing. At this point, my girl is feeling the look. I'm feeling the look as well. He loves his natural shadows. I'm going back to look at the shadows. I noticed he used like a pale shadow. I'm gonna do something different because my model is not the same color as Tati. So yeah, I'm gonna do something like a purplish, but I'm still following his natural way of applying the shadow, blended, you know, but not so intense. Okay. To achieve this natural glam, I think you have to use a lot of browns, you know, like natural tones. It's all about blending, guys. Blend and blend and blend. Don't be tired of blending. You have to blend. That's the trick, okay? So I use the brown as well on the lash line just to blend everything out. You know, my model, she's feeling herself. Each time I go to watch the video, she's here feeling herself. Guys, this is the shortest lashes I can find because I notice he doesn't use a lot of thick lashes, but this is the shortest I can find in my makeup box. But yes, I think it's gonna look almost the same, almost natural. I actually love it. It's really nice. At this point, you're just gonna go back and blend everything out under the eyes. So I use NYX Lip Gloss because it's natural. He used a natural color on Tati that looks almost like a skin tone, but something popping as well. But yes, I just kind of use NYX because this one is natural, and I highlighted the swab because I noticed there's a highlight on Tati's nose. But yes, this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you think about this look. I really love this look. Like, it's very natural. Even in real life, it's really natural. Okay, there's a lot of makeup, but it's all blended in. It looks really good. Even in real life, I love it. But again, with this kind of technique, you must not be in a rush. You mustn't do this technique if you're in a hurry. Also, if you're not good at your brows, like your brows has to be on point, okay? Because you're not going to use concealer. But overall, I love the overall look. It's very nice, very sweet. You know that sweet look. I love it. My girl, she popped. She is poppy. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, let me know what you think about this technique in the comment section. Let me know, okay? This is the Scott Barnes technique. Thank you guys. Bye.